Have you been battling to remove hard water stains either on your faucet bathroom, glass door, or any areas with hard water stains? You are at the right place because in this video we are going to show you how to remove those hard water with ease. Combine 3 cups of water, 1 to 2 cup hydrogen peroxide, 1 2-cup rubbing alcohol, 2 teaspoons of dishwashing liquid, and 2 teaspoons of dishwasher rinse aid. Put it in a spray bottle and mix thoroughly, then spray the mixture generously on the surfaces with hard water stains, like on shower walls, glass doors, faucets, and any other areas that has hard water stains. Allow the solution to sit for 15 minutes to help the stains to dissolve. Then, scrub the stains away with brush or sponge. After scrubbing, rinse the area thoroughly with clean water to remove any residue from the solution. If you learned something from this video, share, comment, and please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell icon. For my returning subscriber, thank you.